Okay, so now we're gonna learn how to make a steamer. Steamer is basically just steamed milk with a flavor shot in it. And the syrup we're gonna be using for it right now is organic syrup, and it's quite sweet. So you have to make sure that you don't put too much. I'm gonna put 3/4 of an ounce into a small cup. If it was a large, I would put about an ounce. If you've done it quite a few times, you can also just go by feel. So that looks like a good amount. Then I'm gonna pour my milk into the pitcher and start steaming it. So you're gonna steam your milk just like you would with a latte. You don't want it to be foamy, you want it to be just really liquidy and hot. So a good way to know when you've reached the right temperature is by holding under with one of your hands. And when it's unbearable to touch, that's when it's reached its optimal temperature. Always make sure you clean the steam one really well after you're done. Okay, so let me pour it in. And you can't really make any latte art with this. It's gonna look really white. There you go. There you have it. Caramel steamer.